So this video is for those who left questions in the comment section. In this video, I'll be answering all your burning questions. So let's go. Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In this video, I'll be doing my first question and answer session. This will be Q&A episode 1. So without further ado, let's jump into the first question. So the first question says, I started this a month and sold 2 t-shirts. I need to upload to many products. So if you're a subscriber, you know that I always talk about Flying Upload because that is the tool that's my recommended automation tool, upload automation tool. And Joe3N Tech was asking how does he upload to many products. So the best way to upload to many products is using Flying Upload. That is what I use, and it's also what I recommend. You can start with the free plan, and if you want to upgrade, you can use my link and also use the code Vanessa10 for a 10% discount. And let's go to the upload page. I'm not doing a review of Flying Upload here. I'm just answering the question to Joe3N. So here are the print on demand platforms that you can upload to. All of them are available with Flying Upload for the free and the paid versions. For the free version is 30 uploads per month, and for the paid version is unlimited uploads per month. So if you haven't watched the review to Flying Upload, I'm going to put up a card so you can watch it and update yourself. Alright, the next question. Question number 2, Game of Thrones Designing says, what products do you sell on? This was with reference to the Zazzle sales report that I made this particular video. That's where I got this question from. So back to Flying Upload, let's go to the settings and to the templates. From the templates, we'll go to Zazzle, and here are the products that are available. The ones that I upload to frequently are the t-shirts, the mugs, the greeting cards, the stickers, both the square and round, and the canvas print with the marks. Yes, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are the ones that I've uploaded to. I've never uploaded to this one right here. So I advise that you do the same on a 5% royalty. I advise that you do the same. I think you should see some sales. Question number 3 from Best Web Designers Company. How do you tag products? Do you tag specifically or do you tag very generally? For example, birthday card. Alright, as you can see, Flying Upload has all the features that you will ever need in your print on demand business, including tags. So I've just given a sample tags here. If you want additional tags, you're just gonna highlight. Let's take for example, you highlight winter, click on keywords, and a bunch of keywords are gonna open. So choose the one you want. If you want, let's take for example, yes, snow, just click on it, or holiday, and it's gonna add here. If you want long keywords, come and choose it, winter clothes, and you click save. Once you click save, it updates, and when you're done, just quickly go back and upload. So it's as easy as that. So the next question says, do you do paid ads for your products? I have 2 stores, but I couldn't sell anything. Alright guys, I don't do paid ads. All of my sales made is through organic traffic. But for KDP, which is another passive income method that I do, I I do paid ads, and if you haven't watched a video about how I do my paid ads, I'm gonna a card is gonna pop on your screen. You can click it, watch it, and update yourself. So this question came from my Merch by Amazon termination video, this one right here. And the question says, when a Merch by Amazon account is terminated, the royalties earned by the account before termination, will it be paid? Unfortunately, no. Once your account is closed, your royalties too are collected. So Vlad says, I'm over a month and a half and I haven't sold anything. I don't know how you made that much money in such a short time. This was in, in reference to the Zelda sales report where I made close to $200 in less than a month. I think it was about 2 weeks or so. So, Vlad, like I said before, I use just two tools. I use Vexels, that's for my designs, and I use Flying Upload, both for the merge and KDP. So I don't complicate things, I don't complicate my business, just two tools. And if you would like to get discounts, you can use my codes and use my links. All the codes are found in the description below. Talking about Vexels, Vexels has launched a flash sale and it will be ending tomorrow. I'm actually recording this video on the 23rd. So the flash sale is going to be ending on the 24th, which is tomorrow when I'll be posting this video. So if you're watching this video on the 24th, know that you have a couple of hours before the flash sale is over. So let me show you how much discounts they have made. So as you guys all know, I'm in the Merch Lifetime subscription. I paid $550 for it, and for the flash sale, they are offering $477. That's close to about $73 discount. That's for the live merch. And there are other tiers. This is for the merch yearly, if I'm not mistaken. And I think it was $400 and it has been slashed to $226. This plan is for the extended, is actually the best value. I think it was at $1,500 and it has been slashed to $694. Then the last is the Pro plan. It's actually $22 per month, and this is a yearly plan for $78. So it's actually a great deal. But the one I will recommend is the lifetime merch plan, which is $477. You pay once and you don't ever have to pay for a monthly or a yearly plan ever again. So that was the plan that I went for, the merch lifetime plan. I paid $550 for it and I never have to pay again. So investing in your business is very important, guys, and the sale will soon be over. So take advantage of these discounts, of these huge discounts. All the links are found in the description below, but the link to the merch lifetime plan discount is the first. The winners for our last week's giveaway are Kurt Raw. I don't know if that's how it's pronounced, Raw or Raw. Either way, please don't be annoyed at me. And Olivia Brown. So congratulations to you guys. You guys should contact me to receive your prizes. Next, for the print on demand automation bundle, next week's giveaway begins. Next week's giveaway begins on the 23rd, and so if you want to win the print on demand bundle, definitely click the first link in the description below and enter for the giveaway. I'll be announcing the winner next week's Friday. So If you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section and I'll definitely get back to you. And if you want me to do a review of your shop, do a shop review, definitely leave your links too and I'll definitely get back to you. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up as it helps the YouTube algorithm show my video to more people. Subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.